Hello, folks. I forget what I was going to say now. Oh, there's a big snowstorm coming. And it is coming real quick. Now, it's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. This video is going to go on to Wednesday, because Wednesday is going to be the main day where this whole entire stuff happens. The snowstorm's going to be happening, apparently, what they're saying on the news, tonight. And we're supposed to be getting, he said, he had a certain colored area that was 10 to 15 inches in certain spots. Then, I didn't see what the lower ones were, but it's amazing. But I remember when we were in another house, our dad had gotten the video camera, and he had gotten out, I don't remember when it was. I know it was in 2000, but he had gotten the camera out and had recorded it, and our car was covered with snow. We weren't able to get out or anything. We stayed in the house. So who knows what's going to go on with this snowstorm. I'll probably do the same exact thing my dad did. Get out with this camera and show you all the snow that we got. I might even take a yardstick out there and measure the snow. Who knows? All I know is there's going to be a lot of snow coming. And I know a lot of you adults out there are saying, oh no! Because I know a lot of the adults that know how to drive, and the people that know how to drive do not like snow. I don't like it either. Unless it's canceling school. That's good sometimes. But of course, school is important too, so I will agree with you parents on that. So, let's see what happens with this. They called it the Snow Hog Day and different things. They came up with a bunch of names. Let's just go with the Snowstorm Day. Just make it easier. Let's see what happens with this snowstorm. Hey, people! Yes. This is again about the blizzard. The blizzard. Which are really good at Dairy Queen, by the way. McFlurries are pretty good too. Yeah, let's not go off topic. But one of my friends, we have no school because today is Tuesday. Tomorrow they had already had it up for who's missing school tomorrow. Well, we're not going to school tomorrow because of snow and everything like that. I will get outside to record some of the snow right now and everything. Not right now though. It's 9:25 or 9 something, whatever time you want to say, right now, where I'm recording this video, and it's kind of dark out, and I know it's cold out, so I won't be going out tonight. I'll be going out tomorrow. This video should be up Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Maybe Thursday. Who knows? If we have Thursday off too, who knows? It might be Thursday too. Because people have been saying we're going to be getting so much snow. We're going to be off Thursday. Well, speaking of snow days, one of our friends went over to their friend's house and slipped on an icy patch or ice or anything. And let's just put it this way. We will make sure you don't fall on ice again. Warning! Sidewalk may be icy. Warning! Driveway may be icy. And we will continue saying that until you don't slip anymore. Till you don't slip on the ice anymore. Believe me, it works. does very many miracles. Um, but who knows what could happen with the snow day? Uh, what was it? Oh, we were talking to another student at our school, and we had mentioned to him that we should talk to our art teacher at our school about seeing if a few of us kids can go up to the Snowfest and do like a snow sculpture or something for like a grade or something and put it in a Snowfest and everything like that. But to me, that kind of would be cool. We'd have our own work of art right there in Frankenmuth. And I know some of these people got sponsors. I don't know who has sponsors and who doesn't. I know one person that won this year. That's won this year. And they did an eagle this year. Last year they did a Komodo dragon. I know them. Matter of fact, they go to my school. Actually, the father that did it, the guy that did it, her daughter goes to our school. It's kind of hard to say that. It's really confusing. I'm sorry if I confused you though. But the blizzard. It's gonna be a great one. We're gonna get a lot of snow. But is anybody gonna be making a snowman? If you're gonna be getting 14 inches of snow, you should be out there building a snowman. Really. So, we'll see what happens tomorrow. And who knows, we might have a snowball fight. We might have a snowman built. Who knows? Mama knows. Mama knows. I knows too, I think. Maybe I don't, I'm not sure. Well, we'll see what happens tomorrow. And we'll get it posted right here. Thanks, and I'll probably see you tomorrow on Wednesday. 1 minute. The 2nd of February. This is Richie coming from you live in our house. As you can see, I got my coat on, I got my hat on, and I'm ready to go. Let's see what's outside. Okay, folks. Now we are outside. Outside. I'm standing. Why should I be sitting on the porch? I'm standing on the porch. You got a guy over there plowing. Whoa! I almost fell. One minute. Holy mac. Show you how deep the snow is. Put my foot in there and it's down about maybe, I'm just guesstimating here, don't judge me, 5 inches. So if we've already got 5 inches, it's not that bad. I don't know if you can see it up there. There's a big old snow hill right there. Holy mac, it's even deeper right here. Can't even see my feet. Barely. It's a blizzard, alright. The kitty is in the window and is now leaving the window. There's a big snow hill right here. Put my foot in it. And it's even more than 5 inches. Oh. But we got a little hill behind the house, and we might be if we have the sled, we might be going sledding later. You got the big snow pile there. But if you know anything, it is really snowing and blowing out here. You see? I got snowflakes all over my camera. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but, well, I was told some of the trees in the back look pretty nice. And believe me, I'm probably going to have to start walking through the driveway. Not the driveway right now, but the yard. It's almost ankle high. For Pete's sake already. Oh, my feet are starting to get cold. But I gotta come out here and shovel after I get this video done. We're going on our trip in our favorite rocket ship. Whoa. I'm sorry about that. My battery was going low and it stopped my video right in mid. Stopped me right in mid-sentence, but put my foot in there and that thing's pretty deep. Something with this one over here. That one is pretty deep. Well, my mom wanted to show us. Whoa. Seriously, look. That's how far my leg is into the ground right there. It's amazing. But this is behind the house. This is behind the house, so it makes a big difference. Whoop, 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 whoop. Well, there's a lot of trees and rubbish that fell down back here. And you can see right there, my feet are starting to get cold. I think my snow's starting to get built up in my sock. These trees, they're very nice, but there's no snow on them. There's an icicle over there. Oh. We never tried that yet. See how many icicles are around the house? Let's go ahead and do that now. Let's see. Ah, fooey kapooey. Whoa. It's about knee high here. Can't even see the bottom of my foot. See? That's how bad it is right now. Oh, now if I can get around, I think I need some snowshoes. Don't you? Icicles. Icicles. Sorry if I accidentally fall. There. We had a big one, but I don't know where it is, and I think we took it down. Oh, 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 oh. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Charlie, that's cold. Charlie, don't do snow. There, I had a little Charlie bit on there for Dad, so there's one up there. We knocked it off. But it's really nice out here. Even though it's cold, Charlie. Don't put that snow down the back of my shirt. It burns, Charlie. Well, yep, I got snow up my pants. How deep it is. Well, I'm going back in the house for now. Grabbing the shovel. I am going to shovel, sadly, the driveway. If we have school tomorrow, I will add on to this video.